guys, let's talk. Did you ever wake up one morning and then craving something special? That's what happened to me. Now let's dive into cooking. Let's make soup. This delicious soup, goat meat. Easy to make and simple. With it an easy recipe. Just follow it and we'll be there. Like I say, I was craving this one so much. I was even like remembering the taste, everything about the dish. Oh my god. So what you need here, you need to have your 2 large onion or 3. Depend how you like it. Take your 2 large onions, chop them to pieces. Heat the stove and put the pot on top of it. Pour oil inside. Let the oils get hot a little bit. Then add your onion. Cut your 2 tomatoes and keep it aside. Wash your meat very nicely. Doesn't matter which meat you use. You're using chicken or maybe you're using beef or just lamb or goat meat. Whatever will be nice. And then when you're done washing it very nicely, fry your onion until it becomes golden brown. And then add your chopped tomatoes inside. Wash your meat. When you're done washing it, pour it inside and make sure to season to your liking. You can season with the best seasoning you have, or when you want to make it feel different, you can check that what I put, because I put black pepper and lemon black pepper mixed together, and some bay leaf and some chicken powder with paprika. But if you don't have paprika, like I didn't have here, I did not put inside, you can use paprika is recommended, and onion powder, like garlic powder, you can use that one too. So far, when you let it simmer, when you add your meat inside, make sure to just mix a little bit, let it simmer a little bit, and then add 2 boiled water and mix it again and cover it to cook. And don't forget salt. Add a half teaspoon of salt, like a bit, it's according to how you like your salt. Some people don't like that much, some people do like a lot of salt. So just measure it and make sure to cover it. In the meantime, I was making this dish called a cup in the other side to eat with, because this dish is famous and it's good. Actually, when you keep checking it, because you don't want it to finish the water, because we are making soup here and we should be having enough soup to have that dish with. So far I see mine is cooked and it's nice, ready to be served. Yeah, I made it short, this video, for you to understand. Easy and simple. That is a cup we make and it's done. I saw myself already, but for you to see, I just form it again because I forgot to form this part, but I just remember. And there we go. The dish is ready. Thank you. And have a good day.